This video tutorial is going to be on the GMDN code, or the Global Medical Device Nomenclature code. It's one of the lesser known data attributes for FDA Good ID. The Global Medical Device Nomenclature is a list of generic names used to identify all medical device products. Such products include those used in the diagnosis, prevention, monitoring, treatment, or alleviation of disease or injury in humans. The main purpose of the GMDN is to provide health authorities and regulators, healthcare providers, manufacturers, and others with a naming system that can be used to exchange medical device information and support patient safety. The GMDN is used for data exchange between manufacturers, regulators, and healthcare authorities, exchange of post-market vigilance information, supporting inventory control in hospitals, and purchasing and supply chain management. So to get a GMDN code for your purposes for FDA Good ID compliance, you'll need to go to the GMDN agency website and sign up for one of their accounts to access their codes. So the first step would be to go to the GMDN agency website. You can sign up for an account by clicking the services button on the top banner. That'll bring a drop-down menu and you can select compare plans. That'll take you to a page that has all the different plans that they offer and any associated costs for each plan. With the basic plan, you can get in, search for your code, and get your code. That should be all you really need. So underneath the different plans, there are different start buttons. So you'll click the start button beneath the plan that you choose. Again, you probably just need the basic plan. Then you'll be taken through a few web forms, fill out your different information, and they will create your account. You'll have a username and a password. Once you've completed the registration process, you can log in. There will be a couple of new options on the top banner, the terms option and the help option. You'll click the terms button, that'll bring a drop down, and you'll select the search from that drop down. That'll take you to a new page with a search box. In that search box, you want to type a broad description of what your device is, and then search for that. The system will search, it'll bring up a list of results for you, and you can read through those results, choose which result most closely resembles your device, and then on the right-hand side, across from the desired option, there'll be a details link. You'll click the details link, that'll bring up another page, and then there's a button called Buy It Now. Obviously, if you signed up for a free account, you're not buying anything, but that's just kind of the name of the button there. Once you click the Buy It Now button, that'll bring you to yet another page that'll have the 5-digit GMDN code that you would want to use in your data template.